everyone, welcome to RPIIT Academics. I am Avika, working as an assistant professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. As in the previous videos, we were discussing about the precipitation titration. So today we are going to discuss about the estimation of sodium chloride, that is Volhard's method. It is also a precipitation titration method. In this method, we take 0.1 gram of sodium chloride and dissolve it in the 50 ml of water. We take 0.1 gram sodium chloride, sodium chloride and solution is made by dissolving it in 50 ml of water in glass stopper flask. Then we add 50 ml of AgNO3 and concentration of AgNO3 should be 0.1 molar. In that we add 50 ml, 0.1 molar AgNO3, 5 ml of nitric acid. Nitric acid, concentration of nitric acid should be 2 molar, and then 5 ml of nitrobenzene is added to that and mixed. After all these additions, we add 1 ml of ferric ammonium sulfate as an indicator. What we used in Volhard method, we use 1 ml ferric ammonium sulfate as an indicator and titrate with ammonium thiocyanate. We titrate it with ammonium thiocyanate whose concentration must be 0.1 molar. Then after the completion of reaction, when we titrate the contents of the flask with the titrant, then we observe formation of red-brown color indicating the end point. At the end point, we observe red-brown color precipitates. So thank you and have a nice day. If you like the video, please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.